Hello, and thank you for joining us today as we discuss pull tests. A pull test can be used for operators to test their magnet strength. Bunting believes that the pull test should be used for reliable and repeatable results for operators testing their magnets in the field. A pull test shows the force required for a ferrous object to be removed from the magnet surface. The stronger the magnet's holding force, the more force is required to remove the piece from the magnet. This form of testing can be used from one operator to another operator with minimal variations in the results. These results can be used to track the magnet's strength from year to year. Bunting supplies two different types of pull test scales for operators to choose from.
The digital pull test kit comes with a digital scale that has been calibrated. The scale will have to be calibrated on an ongoing annual basis. These kits are in stock at Bunting. The kit comes with a power and connection cable. To conduct your pull test, screw the eye hook to the top of the scale and attach the carabiner. For accuracy, it is important to screw the eye hook all the way on to the scale. For harder to reach magnets, the kit also comes with an extender piece. The digital kit comes with a 1 pound weight to test and verify the scale's accuracy. The kit includes a 1/2 inch test ball piece and a 1/4 inch test ball piece. If your magnet is in a hard to reach location, the kit also comes with an extended 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch test ball piece. The plate test piece is also included in every kit. The kit also comes with a spacer test plate. This can be used to test your magnets at different distances away from the magnet surface. The last item is the Polarity Reader. It can be used to see how far the reach out is of your magnet and what polarity is on each section of your magnet. To test cartridge magnets, first turn on your scale. Attach the eye hook to the scale and attach the carabiner to the eye hook. Next, choose your desired test piece. For this test, we'll be using the 1/2 inch test ball. Allow the ball to be pulled to the magnet's surface. Zero the scale and slowly begin pulling up from the surface of the magnet. Test the magnet in various locations to verify results. On a plate magnet, find the strongest point of that magnet and repeat this process. Have the test piece be pulled to the surface of the magnet, zero the scale, and slowly begin to pull up from the surface of the magnet. Work your way down the length of the magnet to verify results. Be sure to record your results for record's sake.